All right, welcome back. Ready to do a show on the road. Get this all cleaned up real quick. Might as well start with the hardest one. This is coming.
It's been a busy day. Oh.
Yeah.
What do we do? Oh, we're getting all clean and stuff.
We're gonna start with the hardest one.
Glad I don't get paid by the hour.
Little pre-application.
Now, do you have to leave that on for a while? It's on. Just shine it down, make it look real prettified. Oh, yes. So just slick right on. Right?
Sure. Now we need some slide on.
And this makes it stick.
Now this will slide around and not stick all points. You're able to position it.
Is.
There is put it in.
They come back out. Okay. Go to the bus when it's not in here right now. Keep it all over. That smells good. Smells like Christmas. You rub it. Rub it down.
Let it rub it. Well, these are Phoenix graphics. They're same company that what's the name of that show? Graveyard Carter. They use the same company for all his graphics.
And they turned out pretty good.
Granted, they make his the day he calls and we could do them no problem. I don't know how long mine sat before they made them or after they made them. Not relatively cheap, put it that way.
They sure will look good.
Yeah. Definitely change the way it looks.
A life size Hot Wheel. Like I felt today. And I'll tell you what, this is our first time ever doing this, and I can feel the shakiness in your husband. Is that where you're little, woo?
Well, 'cause this ain't
I understand.
a cheap thing to screw up now.
I know, that's why I'm feeling that for you. It's marriage after all these years. Woo. So you did that.
Start in the middle and work the way out.
Husband, what do you do with the extra? The stuff that's coming off? Do you
Put
save
it on
it?
the rag.
Okay, I didn't know if you saved it or how that works.
Probably should, I'll probably run out, but I don't know how to go about
Doing that?
Yeah, I don't know how editing all that shit goes right now. I probably should cuss right there, but it is what it is. This will probably be the part where I fast forward the video, so you guys don't have to sit through everything. But I don't know how to do all that just yet. So this is only what, day 3 of our YouTube experience. Bear with us. You don't have mics, we're just going off of phones. So either one of us are computer savvy.
Nope. We're in the 70s, babies. Seriously. And it seems like the older we get, Lester, the bigger we're getting. Trucks. Like size-wise. So you're gonna have to turn back out on step sides. Like you put in. Yes, okay. But yeah, they get cooler and cooler.
Well, we're open to suggestions on what you guys would like to see. A few people asked me to show my other trucks, talk about my other trucks, whatever. If you guys are wanting to see something, a video about that or whatever, let me know. Bloop it in the comments. And if you know who usually says that, you can also leave that in the comments, because I might, say a few things that other YouTubers say.
This is good, Husband. Well, you know how you're just as good? You're trying. You're a trying man. You have a vision. You learn on mistakes. And you go, oh yeah. And the next one, it gets better. That's why I like going out looking for new trucks. Because I found a few of them. Oh yeah. It's pretty cool. Seeing them.
I wonder what Derek's doing right now.
I don't know. I bet you he's not wondering what Ronald's Dentside Phoenix is doing. Not until he hits that button. And hits like and subscribe. Yeah! Right, Dave?
Sure.
I think so. That'd be cool. But what I've been sitting here thinking, why don't I go in and do a bigger plate?
Alright.
Okay. Well, what if I got some shit in that pie to do? I can do trying to figure it out. It'd be all wrinkled. That looks good.
Now, if this is a factory option, I am not 100% sure on. I don't know if they sent it somewhere and they had this done, but I don't know if it's a freewheeling package that had them or what. It's a chromatic, I think that's what they call it. So this will shine like a cop car when lights hit it at night. Yeah, if you want to know 100% definite no information on these trucks, watch Dentside Depot. That guy knows his shit. He's building some cool Dentside.
Everybody see you going down the road, be like, "Ah, Jimmy, whoa, whoa." You just call me the Lightning McQueen. That sounds pretty good.
Story time with Betty.
Well, it's gonna happen every now and again.
Now I gotta remember not to put this on upside down.
Fudge!
What?
I wiped it right there. Damn, sorry. Wasn't no joke of the day. You gotta say, what was you saying?
What do you mean?
Right before I accidentally wiped it.
Oh no, you had story time. Oh, make sure I had this facing.
Good looking 50-50 there.
50 feet, 50 mile an hour. It'll look good.
Oh yeah. In my case, I can't drive 55. She just drives 85. Where'd it go, 85?
Downhill.
That's alright. Cool. As long as I got brakes, I don't care, husband. I know what it feels like on a bicycle going downhill, no brakes. I don't want to know what it feels like in an old 7 to 8 truck. That wouldn't be clean lightning, would it?
What?
Would that be considered clean lightning?
I don't know. It's your story. All right. I ran out of, where the hell did that go? Right there. Ran out of the sauce you put on it. Slide on. I gotta get some more of that ordered. Do the other side. It's taking me longer than I thought anyways. I gotta go work tomorrow. And so you gotta wait 3 hours before you can remove this protective covering. So I will not be doing that in this video. So there'll be no 3 hours later. So that'll be in the next video. And hopefully I'll have the other side done by then also. And so guys, tune in next time. Hope you enjoyed it. What do you think?
Bye. I want everybody to see there's a start. Bernal's Dentside Garage. Hit like and subscribe. Bye guys.